Not long ago, the world was shocked by a surprising revelation. Scientists suddenly discovered a huge structure in space that sends us many messages. What has this amazing design always looked like? And what does it tell us? Could this be where we've been waiting to discover the world's secrets? Let's explore this mysterious revelation and its implications for our understanding of the world. In space science, amazing discoveries have been made, which show the following areas. According to Storcelin, many experts believe we are on the right track. We have to wonder who is speaking, because these stories go back to a great structure whose origin remains a mystery. This is a quick radio series where you need to understand these confusing messages. These powerful bursts of radio waves, lasting only a few milliseconds, play an important role in our continued search for light. In 2007, a very fast radio explosion was discovered that changed the way we interpret the universe's energy. Interestingly, these explosions are not isolated. In turn, each person offers new areas of knowledge and a new application. We don't know exactly the origin of the radio frequency bursts, although they are important and add to the mystery. Suspicions are growing, suggesting that it may have been caused by extreme events such as the explosion of neutron stars or the stabilization of dark matter. The net energy produced in these short minutes is equal to the energy released by the sun in nearly a day. In addition, their scattering velocity, which indicates their distance, provides important information about the intergalactic environment. The association of some of the fast radio waves with global cleaning paves the way for their use as a tool for planning global chemical emissions. So why is fast radio decay so important to our understanding? First, all galaxies are very bright and short-lived with bright radio waves. However, their mysterious beginnings are what surprise us the most. We are still confused about the origin or cause, with ideas ranging from natural disasters to heavenly gifts. Fast radio waves are an important part of decoding antenna messages that transmit data from far fields. By studying these signals, astronomers learn, as far as we know, about their sources and moving media. High-speed radio waves have given the universe a new look, revealing its power and mystery. This shows how much unexplored space there is. The development of this great creation is truly amazing. It all started with a team of scientists using advanced telescopes to explore space. The observed resonance signals are created by the gravitational field in the galactic region. This large and beautiful building quickly became an international tourist attraction. The purpose of collaborative projects is to understand what it is and what it says. What is the structure of this? What does the program say about the meaning of the messages? Theories and hypotheses interacted with the scientific community. As research continues, it becomes clear that these symptoms are not being detected. This is a fast radio even in strong winds. Although the bursts of fast radio waves are short and dangerous, these emissions represent a return to variability that allows scientists to pinpoint their source with great precision. Potential reports of radio frequency errors may be problematic, although they may be of a different nature. According to some scientists, it's like Morse code in space due to the violent collision of massive objects in the sky or negative phenomena in neutron stars and black holes. These signals may appear in complex worlds outside our galaxy. Each case is fascinating and reveals a different side of the world's mysteries. Although these reports are not yet true, one thing is certain. This revelation is another milestone in our extensive research. As a result of ongoing research, the scientific community and the general public remain excited and curious. What revelations will be revealed after this amazing creation in space? Only time and our research will tell the answers. In many years, we've experienced different huge designs in space that have both astonished and astounded us, giving priceless bits of knowledge into the universe's components and laying the preparation for ongoing leap forwards. While revelations like the incomparable attractor and the Sloan Incredible Wall have fascinated us with their mysterious properties, this recently discovered structure stands apart for its dynamic way of behaving. Not at all like its ancestors, which generally stay quiet, this design effectively produces signals, especially quick radio explodes. This dynamic commitment recognizes it from other monstrous designs. Our most recent find demonstrates the Eridana supervoid's presence through active signaling. Despite the fact that the void's strange absence of galaxies has made it a cold spot in the cosmic microwave background. It's like comparing a boring room to a room full of Morse code. In addition, changing the perception of these signals from the same source adds a layer of interest independent of the established or confirmed aspects of visual behavior in simulation designs. The important thing is that, while the previous shows have little chance to search for Goliath symbols and problem holes in the space, this new process has found a symbol that sends the right message. An open environment has many implications for broadening the definition of the world and its inner workings. The opening of this great structure will produce many messages that are very unique and different from the previous world. The intensity and frequency of these fast radio bursts are a surprise to scientists, indicating energy changes greater than we previously understood. First, the results are different. Some say these radio bursts are caused by negative planetary conditions, while others say they are signs of extraterrestrial development. Although the latter is more thought-provoking, it stimulates the creative mind and its motivation. Looking ahead, this finding offers many opportunities for research and development. Scientists and astronomers around the world are planning special observations, and space agencies may consider sending missions to collect more data or send research to the source. The experience gathered from these missions can solve key questions about the position of the planet, the structure of the system, and the possibility of the presence of extraterrestrial life. The demonstration of these fast radio waves could pave the way for future innovations and advanced systems. The development of advanced signal processing equipment and telescopes may have resulted from the need to monitor and analyze these explosions. In addition, it emphasizes the importance of international cooperation in exploration and research. In addition, these high-speed radio waves can change the way we live on Earth. The old focus of our search for extraterrestrial knowledge is the search for signs of intelligent life in the sky. But the discovery of this structure with fast and powerful radio waves reveals another aspect of this goal. Although the origin of the symbols is unknown, their origin in the advanced world cannot be ruled out. Direct interests will be renewed, giving a different purpose to national education and rethinking our hunting methods. This discovery challenges us to think about our place in the world beyond the technical aspects. Assuming that these signs are correct from an intelligent source, it shows that we are living according to the many forms of life that have occurred on the planet. This knowledge is important for explaining life, science, and our place in the world, and raises important questions. To think about these external developments and their consequences for us is still amazing to see. Even though these symptoms are natural phenomena, it shows the complexity and dynamics of the world and highlights that there are still many overlooked aspects that are surprising. It highlights the thought that the universe is a dynamic, consistently changing domain loaded up with ponders past our ongoing understanding. The incomparable attractor, a gravitational irregularity found roughly 220 million light-years from Earth, epitomizes the rousing and puzzling nature of gigantic designs in space. Due to its location within the zone of avoidance, which is obscured by the dust and stars of the Milky Way, much about the Great Attractor remains a mystery in spite of its enormous gravitational influence. Endeavors to concentrate on the incomparable attractor have used different observational strategies, uncovering it to be a convergence of cosmic system groups bound together by gravity. Its gravitational oddity influences the speeds of systems in its area, alluding to its colossal mass and possibly filling in as a focal center point inside a bigger supercluster complex. The basic structure of the universe, the operation of dark matter, and the forces that shaped the evolution of the universe can all be understood with a better understanding of energy. An example of the mysteries waiting to be discovered in the depths of the universe, thanks to research and the expansion of our knowledge of the universe, such as the recently discovered giant structure that transmits thousands of messages. Another inspiring example of global significance is Sloan's Great Wall of China. The epic structure, revealed by the Sloan Computerized Sky Review, is 138 billion light-years long, representing the largest evolution the universe has ever seen. Arranged in a large-scale structure, Sloan's impressive wall displays the world's most important knowledge. In contrast to their random distribution, galaxies frequently form superclusters and clusters, which can further coalesce into enormous structures like filaments and walls. This hierarchical structure can be seen in the Sloan Great Wall, where gravity holds galaxies together to form a thin, elongated structure. Its existence suggests that early variations in the distribution of matter led to the formation of such enormous structures over billions of years, which provides crucial clues about the universe's evolution. Additionally, the mysterious realm of dark matter, an elusive substance that is thought to account for a significant portion of the universe's mass, can be better understood by studying the Sloan Great Wall. The significance of dark matter's gravitational influence in shaping cosmic structures like the Great Wall underscores its significance for our comprehension of the underlying mechanisms of the universe. Taken together, Sloan's impressive wall reveals the vastness and complexity of the universe and increases our understanding of the great designs and powers that shape them. At the end of our research, the opening of this great space structure and its messages will be seen in another part of our great journey. From fast radios to crazy designs, the world is changing fast. The following stories encourage us to move forward and explore the wonderful and confusing nature of life. What new discoveries will shape our future knowledge? One thing is certain. The universe continues to amaze and fascinate us with its endless mysteries.